Okay, so we just had our roof replaced, and I never would have imagined it going as smoothly as it did with Division 1 roofing. Brian drove by our house and noticed the many shingles missing from our roof and knocked on our door and asked if we'd be interested in a free inspection. It didn't take very long. Afterwards, he let us know the findings. He walked us through the entire process of filing a claim with our insurance. He even made himself available for the insurance in case there was anything that they missed. And then on roofing day, the crew was here bright and early. They got the entire job done. They communicated really well with us. Afterwards, everything was cleaned up and the roof looks great. I couldn't have imagined working with any other group. We have a house with lots of potential and lots of future projects, and we plan on using Division 1 roofing in the future.